Hey guys, welcome back. Uh, I think I just clicked the right thing. I didn't look. Today is iron making time, or like tool making. So first of all, I'm gonna have to replace or make more. What are those called? Bloomeries to smelt more iron. And I could probably like fire up a couple of more fire bricks or fire clay, yeah, whatever, to make more bloomers, since I will eventually need more. My inventory is a bit crowded from last time. But we should be fine. Okay. Oh wow, I'm all out of food. I do actually have bread downstairs. Oh, hello there. There's a party here. Okay. That was interesting. I definitely need to light up this area a bit more. Ouch. Okay, let's take a piece of bread and eat it right now. Alright, they gave me nothing of interest. You know, food making is a really big part of this game. I spend so much time just making food. I probably want to like start automating some of the process. Like grinding up flour automatically with the windmill and the quern. And then I'm not sure. There's like a whole rabbit family down here, or hare. Bizarre. Quite interesting. I can't remember how to make these. Okay. Is it like this? Yeah. I can't actually remember how many I made, so okay. I made this many. So this time we stack as much iron, like hematite nuggets, as we can into these. I'm not sure I'll even have enough. No, actually I don't dare to break that, so... I'll just move it over for now. Okay. Then I'll need a whole bunch of charcoal. I swear I moved over some of these stuff. Maybe I didn't. Maybe I should. So I can move over this chest. Yeah, see, I have it in here. I just haven't moved it over. You know what I should do? I should make an iron hammer, because mine's almost up. So I think that would be a good use of it. The chest, right. So let's move this chest down. And start smelting. I'm not totally sure I have enough charcoal even. And let's smash up some of this stuff. Will I need... I will need this. Okay, you know what? Before I smash up all of that, let's see if I can fit 96 of these in here. I can, okay. Let's see if I can fit 100 into that. Or if I can fit even more. 104. I wonder if these can fit like an infinite amount. It wouldn't make sense. But it does worry me a bit. And I'm not even sure I have enough durability for smithing a hammer. No, I think I do. The hammer is a very easy recipe. Okay, well, before I go and use up my durability, I will heat this up. So I can add this, and I can add this, and I can begin heating. And now I'll have to replace this angled gear with the quern that's at there. It's going a bit slow, the wind is not optimal, apparently. Oh, I also got fantastic suggestions. I could move this like sail out with one axle, and then I would have like complete freedom of what I build. And also like to add a counterweight kind of on the other side. So I'm gonna look at that eventually. Oh, this isn't moving at all. I wonder if you can see that with the weather. Outside temperature, no, there's no like windy or not windy stat on there. Okay, this thing will definitely not get this iron ingot in shape. Which is a bit unfortunate. I need to like speed up drastically. Let's see. If I can do 13 pieces of these. I definitely think this hammer recipe is quite easy to make, so alright. I'm gonna stop there. Let's hope for better speeds. Anyways, let's oh, can I not remove from this? How very tricky. And how very annoying this thing isn't moving. Alright, I guess we'll have to do other things. I need to like continue this charcoal process, so I might as well do that right now. Yeah, that sail is completely still. That's a bit annoying actually. What am I looking for? I'm looking for wood. Okay, let's do this, and let's do this. That should be enough. And then I'll also need a couple of more. 1, 2. To start the fire, and then I'll need grass. Right. That should be all. Also, I feel like I haven't really been appreciating the winter all that much. I've just, I think I've felt that I was too slow with the summer. So I didn't get to do all the summer stuff. So it was just like, okay, let's get this winter over with. But yeah, I definitely... Like, I think I saw a thumbnail on YouTube that I just thought was like absolutely beautiful. And this game is like absolutely stunning. And you kind of have to appreciate everything that it gives you, which I don't think I've been doing with this winter thing. Anyhow, I'm guessing this will have had no progress. Yeah. And it's probably too cold now. Oh, very annoying. I wonder if there's any way to control this, if I would make the windmill higher, if it is also like always spinning, or if it is just like sometimes it doesn't move at all. It picks up for like a second and then it will stagger off. Yeah. What is that thing? That's a baby moose. Moose calf, yep. Alright. Well, I'll leave you alone. Okay, well, this whole thing has put a wrench in my plans, and I don't want to smelt more tin or bronze to make a new bronze hammer. I kind of want to like replace all of this stuff. Well, I guess it wouldn't really matter. Partially worked. I guess I can do that. So heat up a bronze ingot. Oh, I have no charcoal in there. Okay, I feel like I've done absolutely nothing this episode. Okay, I'm gonna collect myself a bit and formulate a plan. Okay, well this is highly awkward. And this one can't make it. Okay, I am... Oh man. What am I doing? I should have just melted up a bunch. And poured it into this thing. It was definitely a bit harder than I remember. and the hammer can't do anything. Man, this... Can't be bothered with you. Actually, let's do this. No, I can't even move this thing. Can I? I'm gonna do this. Okay, I could do that. I'm gonna heat this thing up again. Okay, I'm gonna have to make a bit of food. And I'm thinking of not having you down here. I'm thinking of making pies. I don't have a lot of like stuff left. Actually, I could use these. That's probably the better plan. Yeah, I'm gonna use those. And I am going to... I guess I can make turnip and... Did I say the right thing? Yeah, turnip. What's the other thing? Tulip, yeah. So tulip is the flower. Anyhow. Oh, I can only hold 6 in there? That's a bit annoying. Yeah, that's a bit weird. But it's fine. I guess I'll go and store these then. Since I can't use these. Man, my voice is like killing me. Let's go and check on the progress of these. So I pour them there, and this one is finished, so let's not leave it out there to burn to death. Alright, yeah, I'll be back once this annoying trumpet sound is gone. I don't know if I've said this before, but the hurting sounds are really annoying, and I don't know if it's just because I've heard it so many times, or if it is... if I just truly think it is a bit annoying hearing a trumpet every so often. I'm sure all of the voices would have gotten annoying at some point. But the trumpet is really just in your ears. Anyways, I'm grinding up a bit of limestone or borax to make more diluted borax. To keep the leather making progress going. And I think I still have to wait for a bit of the metal, so it's a good way to spend the time anyhow. It doesn't say how long this one stays fresh. The stew. Oh wait, I have more stuff in here. Totally forgot about that. Anyhow. Okay, I'm so scattered this episode. It's like I'm trying to focus on one thing. I just can't keep my mind on it for that long. Anyways, the iron is done, the hammerhead is done. Let's bring this torch back, or the lantern. Now I just need to make a hammer, and I guess this hammer will have to survive for a bit longer then. Or I guess I can skip out on making that. It seems like it picked up a lot of speed, this thing, when the night comes. Ouch. I accidentally placed 2 charcoal in there. That's unfortunate. I guess I can heat up both these. And let's crush up some more of these. Truly see how many of them can fit in this thing. 120, okay. So that makes how many? 6 ingots per bloomery. I wonder how many charcoals I need to do this. Or to smelt this. I'm gonna look it up just to be a bit efficient since I don't have too much. I have a bit more in here, but... Okay, so apparently from one source that I found on the wiki from the tutorial video, it's 1 coal per ingot, so this will need 6 charcoal, and I think that's maximum. Yeah, okay. So I'm just gonna max these out. I don't think I have enough. I might have more. In the chests here somewhere. I have black coal, brown coal. I might not have more. Which is a bit unfortunate, so I'm not gonna be able to fire that last one until that fire pit is done. But that's fine. It should be plenty of iron. It's very noisy in here now. Okay, what do I want to make? I want to make a pickaxe. Probably iron pickaxe. Yep. And what more do I want to make? An iron saw was another like tip that I got that I could definitely do. And we split these. And then obviously I'll have to wait for the other ones to make even more stuff. I'm kinda curious to make this iron anvil eventually. Not right now though. Iron short sword. Interesting. Iron hatch door. Iron hoop. Knife. Plate. Iron scales. Padlock. Interesting. I'm not sure if those could be made earlier. Pounder cap. Scythe head, iron shears. Okay, let's make the saw blade for now. I think that... Oh, I don't want to be splitting all of this. Okay, there we go. I'm not sure. It is gonna be a bit annoying if I'll have to like smith all of these tools in the future. I'm not sure if there's like a way to automate iron making, or I guess even like sturdier metals or alloys. Oh, come on, get in there. There we go. But yeah, I am kind of like wishing that you could automate this in the future. But these should have a lot better durability. So at least there's that. Okay. I guess I'll have to wait for the rest of these. So be right back. Okay, these just got finished firing. So I guess I'll have to break these. I don't know if it's better to break the top one first, or if I can just break the base altogether. Oh, I'll need this one. And I will also need to put the angled gear back. Whoa, this one's like going rapid fire. Alright. Okay, I have 17 iron blooms now. And this is just hammering away like crazy. I might help him a bit. Okay, so these are too cold to work with now. So below 700 degrees seems to be the cutoff. Which is actually quite decent. Like that means we can work... Oh, I don't have any more charcoal. That's right. We got a lot of iron ingots though. So 9 iron ingots currently. And let's turn this guy off. I really want to make the clutch and transmission to be able to turn this on and off whenever I want to. Anyways, yeah, that was a nice run. I might have said that already. Let's see on the charcoal if it is finished. It seems to be, so I'm gonna take a Campbell. Yep, okay. So I'm gonna start working on the tools now, since I have a bunch of ingots. Yeah, so prime example, my shovel broke and my axe broke earlier, so... I desperately need new tools. And let's also add 2 more in here and fire this one up. Oh wait, you can place 4 of these? Ah, I seem to have placed them in the middle previously. I think. Yeah, this looks really cool. So I want to make a shovel and an axe. Iron axe head. It seems like... No, never mind. It might be a different recipe for the iron axe. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I ever have smithed an axe before. But the head definitely looks a bit different. And the shovel. Let's see if these are workable. They are. Okay, what? The coal is all used up, so it doesn't matter anyway. Oh, not splitting. My bad. Now we split. Let's see. Probably a scythe, I would say, and a hammer. Scythe and a hammer. I think that's... I've definitely been missing the scythe ever since I broke mine. It's nice because I need a lot of grass for the firing of bloomers. So, yeah. Oh, also, I do apologize for the poor quality of commentary. I'm kind of tired. I've been sleeping really bad this week. And also this does require a bit of like concentration, which also affects my ability to speak. But yeah, I'm not sure how long this video will be. And then split. Okay, we have everything, so let's go and cool this down and we can update our arsenal. Ouch. I definitely need water back there. Oh man, do they have different like weights? Well, this one might be too big. Oh, okay. Oh man. Whoa. those things through kind of weirdly. Anyways. Ouch! What? How did you come in here? Did you spawn in here? Interesting. Hold on, what just happened? What? I think the knife was glitched in my inventory, and then when I finished this, it just switched back to my spear, and that's super weird. Anyways, let's hang all of these up and watch them in all their glory. I also have shears. So these are the copper tools. Oop, it just got very dark in here. Alright. Well, that's awesome. Anyways, I think that's all for today. This is a bit of a weird episode. I really just wanted to progress a bit. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.